Hi, once again this is Kaiser from Rank Ninja. Today's video will be WordPress WooCommerce related. Today I'll show you a very important tricks of WooCommerce website. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It really helps me a lot to create more video for you. So let's start it. Today I'll show you how you can create custom order status for your WooCommerce website. Look here, this is the order status actually, and if I view it, then find for order status. Here is the status. The status is processing, on hold, completed, cancelled, refunded, paid, draft. What if you need your own order status? Maybe it is in shipping. I mean, when your product is to the logistic or shipping company, then you want to put a status that is in shipping, and also you want to send notification to your customer. Then what will you do? Today I'll show you a free tips for adding as many order status as you want. So log into your WordPress WooCommerce website admin panel and navigate to plugins and click add new plugin. Now in the search plugin box, just type custom order status manager for WooCommerce, and this is the plugin I will use for doing this thing. So this plugin is totally free and it has 10,000 plus active installation, and it's a good plugin for adding custom order status for WooCommerce website. Let's click install button. Now click activate. If you need any help regarding digital marketing, Facebook advertising, Google campaign managing, and e-commerce services, then you may contact with me. You will find my contact details in the video description below. Now refresh the dashboard, and in the WooCommerce section you will notice a new menu that is order status. Click on that. Currently there is no status. Let's add new status. I will show you adding on status, but you can add as many as you want in the similar way. Alright, on shipping, I'm giving this order status on shipping, means the order is on the way to deliver to the customer, and the slag I'm putting it empty. It will take automatically. If you want to put any icon, you can add icon here, and status view should be status name. This name will be the status view. Color, you can select a color. I want to select it as blue. It's good, and you can untouch everything here. Just one thing, that is email notification, turn on. Email recipient, customer. If you want to notify the customer about the status change, I mean from processing to on shipping, then you have to turn on email notification and email recipient customer. Also, You can add a copy mail to send to the admin as well, but for now I am okay with only customer notification. Now just click publish button. Oh, it's asking to fill out. Then I am putting it on shipping. Here, it is not advised to use any space between two words. You can use dash between two words. It is fine. Now click publish. Now it's time to check the order and select it. Here in the status section, you will see one more, that is on shipping. You can click it and update it. I believe after updating, the customer will get a notification about the status change. Also look here, the order status is in color blue. You can customize the background color as well from here. Order status on shipping and click edit, and here is the text background color. I want to use text background color as blue and text color as white. Now click update. It will look more attractive. Look here on shipping, and I believe the customer has already got a notification. Let's check it. This is the customer email who has placed the order. Now let's open it. Look, regarding your Greenmart order, your order status changed to on shipping. So in this way, you can add your own status to your WooCommerce website and as many status as you want. If you have any issue, you can write a comment on the video. Also, if you like my video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.